Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 44 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.5, question number 3, fourth one, continued. So, 5y cube is equal to s into 7x cube. So, therefore, y cube upon x cube is equal to 7 upon 5s. So, y upon x cube is equal to 7 upon 5s. Differentiate with respect to x. 3 y upon x square into bracket x dy dx minus y upon x square is equal to 0, and therefore x dy dx minus y is equal to 0, and therefore dy dx is equal to y upon x. Again differentiate with respect to x. D square y dx square is equal to x dy dx minus y. Okay, here you use u upon v upon x square is equal to x y upon x minus y x square upon x square. Simplify this, x get cancelled, y minus y is equal to 0. So 0 upon x square is equal to 0, and hence d square y dx square is equal to 0. Okay. Now all these examples are very important. Go through this lecture again and again so that you understand. Question number 7. If 2y is equal to root x plus 1 plus root x minus 1, show that 4x square minus 1 d square y dx square plus 4x dy dx minus y is equal to 0. Given 2y is equal to root x plus 1 plus root x minus 1, differentiate with respect to x. 2 dy dx is equal to 1 upon derivative of this 1 upon 2 root x plus 1 plus derivative of this 1 upon 2x 2 root x minus 1. So 2 dy dx is equal to, here I add this, so equalize the denominator. Denominator is 2 into root x plus y into 2 into root x minus y. This multiply by this multiply by this. So this is equal to x root x minus y plus root x plus 1 upon 2 root x square minus 1. This and this you simplify. So 2 dy dx is equal to 2y. So this is what y. 2 root x square minus y, and 2 get cancelled, is equal to y upon root x square minus 1. So this x square root x square minus 1 bring here 2 root x square minus 1 dy dx is equal to y. Squaring on both the sides, 4 x square minus 1 dy dx square is equal to y square, and differentiate with respect to x. 4x square 4 into bracket x square minus 1 derivative of this 2 dy dx, and derivative of dy dx is equal to d square y dx square plus dy dx square into 4 into 2x is equal to 2y dy dx. Dividing by 2 dy dx throughout, so 4x square minus 1 d square y dx square plus 4x dy dx is equal to y, and therefore 4x square 4 into bracket x square minus 1 d square y dx x square plus 4x dy dx this y bring here minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 8. If y is equal to log x plus root x square plus a square raised to m, show that x square plus a square d square y dx square plus x dy dx is equal to 0. Solution. Y is equal to log x plus root x square plus a square raised to m. Y is equal to m, this m bring here m log x plus root x square plus root x square plus a square. Differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to m derivative of log x plus root x square plus a square into derivative of this 1 plus derivative of this 1 upon 2 root x square plus a square, and derivative of x square plus a square is equal to 2x. So dy dx is equal to m upon x plus root x square plus a square into 1 x, these 2 and these 2 get cancel, x upon root x square plus a square is equal to m x plus upon x plus root x square plus a. This you simplify, so this is root x square plus a square plus x upon root x square plus a square. This and this get cancelled, and therefore dy dx is equal to m upon root x square plus root x square plus a square. Now then this you bring here, so root x square plus a square dy dx is equal to m, squaring both the side, x square plus a square dy dx square is equal to m square, and again differentiate with respect to x, x square plus a square into derivative of this 2 dy dx, derivative of dy dx is equal to d square y dx square plus dy dx square into 2x is equal to, this is constant, derivative is 0, dividing throughout by 2 dy dx, x square plus a square d square y dx square plus x dy dx is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 9. If y is equal to sine m into cos inverse x, show that 1 minus x square d square y dx square minus x dy dx plus m square y is equal to 0. Solution. Y is equal to sine m into cos inverse x, and therefore sine inverse y is equal to m cos inverse x. Differentiate this with respect to x, derivative of this 1 upon root 1 minus y square dy dx is equal to minus m upon root 1 minus x square. So this is derivative of cos inverse, and therefore 1 minus x square dy dx is equal to, this you bring here, this you bring here, so root 1 minus x square dy dx is equal to minus m root 1 minus y square. So 1 minus x square dy dx square, squaring both the side, m square 1 minus y square, and now this you differentiate with respect to x, 1 minus x square 2 dy d square y dx square plus dy dx square into 2 minus 2x is equal to m square, and derivative of this minus 2y dy dx, and dividing throughout by 2 dy dx, 1 minus x square into d square y dx square minus x dy dx, and this you bring your, so this is minus, so plus m square y is equal to 0. Okay, now all these examples are slightly complicated. Go through this example again and again so that you understand. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.